These are all the ingredients you will be needing.
Hey guys! So today we're gonna be making yummy chocolate chip banana bread, as you can tell right there.
For the first step, you're gonna want to put up your hair in a braid or in a bun.
So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is preheat the oven to 325 and make sure there's nothing in there, because in the last video, we started a mini fire. And you don't wanna do this time.
Mix all together well. Now you just have to mash the ingredients well. When you are done, it should look like this.
Now you're gonna want to add all the mixtures together. Now this part is optional. You can add chocolate chips if you want. You can add nuts. I really recommend adding pecans. They taste really good. But you're only gonna add up to 1 cup of chocolate chips. Cooking spray. Just enough to where it won't stick. So now you're gonna add the banana mixture into the pan. So now that your banana bread mixture is ready to go in the oven, you're gonna place it in there, of course. Put it in there and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Now your timer is done. Excuse me. You're going to open the oven and put a fork or toothpick to make sure it's cooked off. It's a little gooey. You're going to want it to cook just a little bit more, like 10 minutes. It's done! Make sure to use mittens. Yummy. Golden. Let it cool for about 15 minutes. It's done. So you're gonna wanna get a yummy slice and eat it. So thanks for watching. Bye.